students, good morning. Once again, I welcome you in the today's science class. As you know, last time we completed short answer 1 to 6. Now we are going to start our short answer number 7. That is the answer number 7. Look please. What is our question? Question is in this manner. What type of linking is found among the units which make up plastics? Answer is in this manner. The monomers of plastics are linked with one another, in the following ways. First number, that is liner arrangement. Liner arrangement, or it is shown by in this manner. This is the linear or liner arrangement. Okay. Below it we write liner arrangement of monomer plastic. Arrangement of monomer plastics. Now second number, that is cross-linked arrangement. Now look sir, it is in this manner. Or they are joined with next one. Or we will write here cross-linked arrangement of monomer plastics. In this manner, our short answers are completed here. Sorry for it. One more thing is remaining. That is, how do plastic bag pose danger to cows feeding on them? Please look. आंसर क्वेश्चन का मीन्स आपको समझ में आ गया होगा। और इसमें देखिए आप क्या बताया जा रहा है। दिस इज short answer number, that is 8. क्वेश्चन हमने आपको बता दिया। आंसर होगा plastic bags are swallowed. Plastic bags are swallowed by cows while feeding. On garbage. These choke their respiratory system. These choke their respiratory system. Or form a lining, or form a lining in the stomach, which ultimately lead to their death. In this manner, our short answers are completed here. Now we have only long answers to complete. Yes, now once again please look your answer. Here is written, this is question language, plastic bags are swallowed by cows while feeding on garbage. These choke their respiratory system. Please remember. Or form a lining in their stomach, which ultimately leads to their death. मतलब कहने का क्या हुआ कि जब प्लास्टिक बैग्स वगैरह को काउस फीडिंग, गार्बेज की फीडिंग करते टाइम अपने अंदर ले लेती है, तो उससे उनका रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम ब्लॉक हो जाता है या स्टोमक में जाकर के फंस जाती है, उसकी वजह से अल्टीमेटली उनकी डेथ हो जाती है. दिस इज द शॉर्ट आंसर एंड नाउ लॉन्ग आंसर. Long answers type questions. Long answers type questions in which answer number 1 is available here. Your question is define monomer, polymer, polymerization. How these terms are related to each other, explain with example. Look sir, first number, that is polymer. Look now what is written. The smaller unit in a polymer each of the smaller unit of polymer, sorry for it, it is not polymer, it is monomer. Monomer. Your first define is monomer. Each of the smaller unit of polymer is known as monomer. Next number, that is the polymer. Polymer, a long chain of repeating units. Polymer, please look. A long chain of repeating units. Repeating units of monomer is called polymer. Is called polymer. Okay. Now next one, that is polymerization. Look here. Next point, that is polymerization. Polymerization is in this manner the process in which the monomers combine to form polymer. Is known as polymerization. This is our defining. Now one thing is more remaining, how they are interrelated. Please draw this diagram with us. N molecules of CH2 double bond CH2, they form CH2 single bond CH2, or this is one. This is ethene, or this is polyethene, that is also known as polyethene. Or look here, this is monomer, or this is polymer. Or the process name is polymerization. Look sir, now in Hindi language I explain this question. इस क्वेश्चन में पहले तीनों का डिफाइन बताया हमने, मोनोमर, each of the smaller unit of polymer is known as monomer. मतलब पॉलीमर की जो सबसे स्मॉल यूनिट होती है उस हर यूनिट को मोनोमर बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट नंबर दैट इज पॉलीमर. लॉन्ग चेन ऑफ रिपीटिंग यूनिट्स ऑफ मोनोमर इज कॉल्ड पॉलीमर. बहुत सारी मोनोमर्स ज्वाइन होकर के एक लॉन्ग चेन बनाते हैं, उसको बोलेंगे हम पॉलीमर. और पॉलीमराइजेशन, द प्रोसेस इन विच मोनोमर कंबाइन टू फॉर्म पॉलीमर इज नोन एज पॉलीमराइजेशन. एक ऐसा प्रोसेस जिसमें मोनोमर्स कंबाइन होकर के और पॉलीमर बनाते हैं, उसका नेम होगा पॉलीमराइजेशन प्रोसेस. इसको इक्वेशन फॉर्म में देखिए. CH2 double bond CH2 that is ethene और it is a type of monomer. जब इथीन के n नंबर ऑफ मोनोमर्स पॉलीमराइजेशन प्रोसेस में कंबाइन होकर लॉन्ग चेन बनाते हैं तो वो पॉलीइथीन यानी कि पॉलीथीन बनाते हैं और पॉलीथीन इज ए टाइप ऑफ पॉलीमर. In this way they are interrelated to each other. Okay, this is enough for today. Thank you very much for this.